For over 25 years, we have lived and worked in old homes in a historic neighborhood. The average home is 93 to 107 years old. The home we're in today was born in 1914. So quick, how old does that make this home? Yep, as of the making of this video, this home is the ripe old age of 106, but that's its actual age. In humans, there's actual age and a metabolic age. If your metabolic age is lower than your actual age, it means your body is in good health. Since we have purchased this home and repaired all the real issues that you probably wouldn't even notice, I would place the metabolic age of this house way lower than it actually is. And that's the thing I want you to be aware of when you go out there and buy your older home. Number one, you want to look out for foundational issues. A couple of telltale signs are cracks in your plaster, corners of windows that drop further than the other corner, and doors that don't shut. Number two, knob and tube electrical. You might want to ask the homeowner if this has been taken care of, remediated, or is still in the house. The reason is because a lot of insurances will not cover you if it's still in the house. Number three, termite damage and existing termite damage. This wood is hard and old, and termites usually don't like to eat it. They like soft, new wood. However, they will try to eat it if they can. With that being said, there's some telltale signs that you can look out for. You won't find it here, but if you walk around an old house and you see what looks like brown sand on some of the windows or door edges, that is the waste from the termites, what their waste product is when they're chewing up all that wood. I'm gonna put a picture right up here so you can see what I'm talking about. Another item to look for, soft floorboard. It's gonna look like this. It very well could have termite damage behind it. Another item is glaze, window glazing. That's this that's on the side of the glass. Here you can see there is no glaze, needs to be reglazed. This is old glaze that is holding up very well for the age of the house. You'll want to walk the house, and it's something you can look for when you're walking the house. That'll be obvious. It shouldn't stop the sale, but just know in the back of your mind, it's expensive to do and time consuming. So either you learn how to do it or learn how to write a check for someone else to do it. I've armed you with the knowledge to better estimate the metabolic age of the home you want to buy. Some are okay, some are mediocre, and some are just downright sickly. Just know that money and a good contractor can get you to a point where all you have to do is just basic home maintenance. Which brings me to thinking, maybe I should create a basic home maintenance video. Would you like that?